Good morning, student. In math of class 8th, in my previous video, I had explained 14.2 and some question of 14.3 means division of polynomial. In that, I use only one method. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means that formula I have written D is equal to small d for divisor, q for quotient, r for remainder. But this formula is given another way. Suppose any polynomial fx divided by another polynomial gx or dx, it exists a quotient that is called qx and remainder rx. And I told that if rx means remainder is equal to 0, this implies that dx and qx are factors of fx. Example are given. On the basis of that, if any polynomial divided by another polynomial, if remainder coming 0, it means both quotient and divisor both are the factor of given polynomial. See exercise question, because 1 to 15 already I had explained 1 to 15 question of this 14.3. Now maybe some question in answer sheet given wrong. See question number 16. Question number, it is given what can be possible degree of the remainder when we divide. Means here asking degree of polynomial of the remainder. Given here y to the power 4 plus y to the power 3 divided by y plus 6. What method I have explained? First term divided by first term. Y power 4 divided by y. What is the remaining? Y power 3. Y to the power 3. Now this multiply by this. Y to the power 3 multiply by y plus 6. It's y to the power 4 plus 6y cube. That you write here, y to the power 4 plus 6y cube. See that after division, what we are doing here, subtract. This one cancel. Here minus 5y cube. What is degree? Degree of remainder will be 3. In answer sheet given 0, that is wrong. 3. Question number 18, given y cube, here I am writing degree will be 3. Degree of remainder or degree of polynomial, maximum power of the variable. Question number 18 you see, given y cube minus 6y square minus 2 divided by y cube minus 2. See that first term divided by first term, y cube divided by y cube, answer is 1. Multiply by 1, y cube minus 2 minus plus, cancel 2 and 2, that is question y here. What is remaining? Minus 6y square, this one cancel, means degree will be 2. Degree of polynomial will be 2. Okay, this is question number 16, 18. In this only 4 question given, 17 and 19 you have to solve. Now from question number 20, given find the first polynomial is a factor of second or not. You have to give, first you find, then you give your answer yes and no. It will be factor when remainder will be 0. By division you can find that is the factor or not. See question number 20. Question number 20. Given 4x square plus 5x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. First term divided by first term, answer is 4x. 4x multiplied by this 4x square plus 8x. Now you subtract minus minus. Cancel. Minus 3x plus 3. Remainder is not 0 since r not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. This implies that this is not factor. Answer you write no. Means x plus 2 not factor of this polynomial. Answer you write no. Question number 20, this one. Now question number 23. Question number 23. Given 6x square minus 9x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. First term divided by first term, answer is 3x. 3x multiplied by this 6x square minus 9x. Subtract minus here plus. Cancel. 5 is remaining. It means that is also not factor. Answer is no. Question number 26. Question number 26. That is given 6y cube plus 5y square plus 5y plus 2 divided by y minus 2. First term divided by first term, 6y square. 6y cube minus 12y square. Subtract minus plus. Cancel. This one remainder of this. First question I am going to end this off. Now you can see that 17y square plus 5y. Again first term divided by first term, it will be 17y square plus 17 to 0, 34y minus 34y. Again you subtract minus here plus. Cancel. 34, 39 y plus 2. 39 divided by y. Here will be 39 multiply by 39 y plus 39 to here 878. Now you subtract minus here 78 minus plus. Remainder is coming 80. It means no. Y minus 2 is also not factor of this polynomial. This is simple method of division. Already I have explained. Now question number 30. Last question of this exercise. Question number 30. After that, after completing this, you have to ask the doubt. And last lesson 15, after that I will explain. Now question number 30. Important question. Find the value of k so that 2x plus 4 is a factor of fx. Suppose that fx a polynomial 8x cube minus 38x square minus 50x plus p. Since 2x plus 4 is factor of fx, putting 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 2. In fx remainder will be 0. Now I am going to put, see that f minus 2 in this 8 minus 2 cube minus 38 2 square minus 50 into minus 2 plus k. Remainder is 0. Now minus 64 minus 2 cube is minus 8. 8 is just 64 minus 64 minus 38 into 4. 38 into 4. Here plus sign is there. Sorry, plus even. Minus 100 plus k. You simplify this one, it is coming minus 100 164. It is coming 316 plus k. You simplify, multiply, all minus are there, minus you 8 to 16, then k is equal to minus 316. This type 2 or 3 question I have explained. Means you know that if that is the factor of this polynomial, so remainder will be 0. I have put this value 2x plus 4, x value minus 2 in given polynomial, remainder I have written 0. Now you have to simplify this one, it will come minus 316 plus k minus this side it will be plus. My dear student, I have completed your 14.3. After that, some chapter test given and you try to solve chapter test question. After that, I will start quadratic equation, that is very important and very interesting chapter. Quadratic equation. That is your last. That will be your last chapter. Okay. So you try to complete this exercise. If any doubt, you have to ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.